Hi everyone, welcome back to My Colourful Country Life. Today I'm going to show you a flip through of Hanna Karlzon's new book. The book is called Tales from the Midnatts Masquerade. This is the Swedish version. The English version is due out on the 18th of August this year, so only 99 more days to go. But the English version is currently available for pre-order. I'll add the links to purchase in the description box down below. This is Hanna's 7th colouring book, but the first from her new publisher, Tuken Forlag. And it's also the first in her new series, which is going to be titled Tales From. Now, the book is smaller in size than her normal books, and I'll just grab another one for comparison. If you have a look here with spirit animals, and you can see it is significantly smaller in size. Yeah, and it is also quite a bit thinner, so it's got 64 pages instead of her usual 96 from her other books. Hanna has given her reason for the lesser pages, simply that it's just too much workload for her and she needs to distress a bit, which is completely understandable. Powering out nearly 100 pages for every book. So 64 pages was much more manageable. The pages are still printed on both sides using the same paper she has used before with her other publishers. Now, this book was designed to be a storybook of images. Unfortunately, the Dutch version was printed with the pages in totally the wrong order and has ruined the storybook feel for Hanna. So can I suggest that you either stick with purchasing the Swedish version or the English version of the book? I do not recommend purchasing the Dutch version. Now, I have tried to translate the writing on the back, and it very, very loosely says, "Welcome to a fabulous midnight masquerade. Amongst the candles, tables and burning lanterns, dances and mingles mystical and magical guests. The atmosphere is buzzing and the party continues until dawn dawns." Okay, so if we open it up, we've got our title page. Our usual information here and our book belongs to page here. And now let's start our flip through of our storybook. And there is our flip through from Tales from the Midnight Masquerade by Hanna Karlzon. Let me know what you think of the book down below, and maybe in the future we can do a colour along from this book. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Thank you. Bye.